Hello guys, welcome to another video in this series of tutorial on Angular material with Angular. In the previous videos, we have seen different types of buttons of Angular material and how to change the functionalities of those buttons. There is another most common real-time scenario where you need to have a button with hyperlink, which means a button should have a redirect capability to another website, which means you need a button like this. On click of this one, it should navigate to different website like in this example. Let's see in this video how we can achieve this one. The simplest method to achieve this one is first we will have an anchor tag in our application, then we will apply Angular Materials UI component or the stylings to that anchor tag. So let's see that one in practical how we can achieve that one. Open code editor. Currently I don't have any code in this code editor. If you preview this one in browser, you can observe there is nothing in a web page. As I mentioned earlier, first step to achieve this one is we need to have an anchor tag. So let me have one anchor tag here, and within this one let me define the website to which I want to redirect. For this example, I will add Google as a hyperlink here, and I will give name as Google. So this is a word which will appear in a web page, and I will set target as underscore blank so that whenever I click on this hyperlink, the website will open in a new tab. So let me save this one and go back to browser. You can observe that there is one hyperlink. When I click on that one, it is opening a new tab with Google site. Now we got the redirection functionality, but we need button kind of a thing where we will have a hyperlink. For that one, the second step is we need to apply Angular Materials UI component. In the previous videos, we have learned there are so many buttons options are available in Angular Material. Out of those, I will use a matte flat button with a primary color palette. So let me go to code editor. As we know, to use Angular Materials buttons, just we need to mention as matte hyphen flat hyphen button. And as I want to use color palette of primary, I will mention as color is equals to primary. This is the second step where we are going to define Angular Materials UI components here. Now save the file and go back to browser. You can observe the previous hyperlink has been turned to an Angular Material button. It have background color and bit of spacing to that text, and it is looking good compared to earlier. So when I click on this button, the functionality which we applied earlier, that is redirectional functionality, that is working fine as well. These are the two steps which you need to follow to have a button which acts as a link to another website in your Angular application. That's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.